In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Murphy Drive rewards on gas. If you find the video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you're first going to do is download and register. So install the Murphy Drive Rewards app from the App Store or Google Play, and then create an account by providing your details and verifying your email. And then earn points. So fuel purchases earn 1 point per gallon of gas purchased. In-store purchases earn 2 points per dollar spent on snacks, drinks, and other merchandise. Now we need to redeem points for fuel discounts. Open the Murphy Drive Rewards app and navigate to the rewards section. Select the fuel discount reward you'd like to redeem, for example 10 cents off per gallon per 100 points. Confirm your selection. The reward will be added to your account. Now we want to go ahead and apply the discount at the pump. So at a participating Murphy USA or Murphy Express station, insert your payment method at the pump. When prompted, enter your alternate ID, usually your phone number, or scan your Murphy Drive Rewards barcode from the app. The pump will display your available rewards. Select the desired discount to apply. Proceed to fuel your vehicle. The discount will be applied to your transaction.